In this video, you'll learn how to delete a blank page in Google Docs and clean up your document instantly. Since Google Docs doesn't include a delete page option, you'll remove the blank page using four options. If you see an extra blank page in your Google Docs, it's usually because a page break was added. A page break forces your content onto a new page, and it can happen without you noticing. To check for it, go to View and click Show Non-Printing Characters. This reveals all the hidden formatting symbols in your document. Now scroll and look for a line labeled Page Break. It becomes easy to spot once non-printing characters are visible. Place your cursor right after the page break line and press Backspace. This removes the break and your blank page should disappear. If it doesn't delete the first time, press Backspace one more time. Some page breaks need a second tap. Section breaks create their own formatting zones, and they often add extra blank space at the end of the document. To find them, go to View and click Show Non-Printing Characters again. This makes section breaks visible just like page breaks. Scroll until you see a line labeled Section Break. It stands out clearly once hidden formatting is enabled. Place your cursor right before the section break line and press Delete. This removes the break and pulls your content back together. If a table is causing extra blank space, it's usually because a break is hidden underneath it, and the extra space stays no matter how many times you try to remove it. To fix it, look at the space around the table and check how close it is to the text above. If there's only a small gap, drag the table upward and drop it onto the text above. This collapses the extra space and removes the hidden break. If you still see extra blank space in your document, it's often caused by hidden formatting or invisible spacing. These hidden styles push your content onto a new page, and it's not always obvious where they're coming from. To fix it, click inside the blank area around the extra page. This helps Google Docs select the formatting that's causing the issue. Now go to Format and click Clear Formatting. This resets all spacing and removes any hidden styles that were pushing the content down. Once the formatting clears, the extra blank space should collapse. You should now see your document cleaned up without any extra blank pages or unwanted blank spaces. Each fix brings everything back together, just the way it should be. If this helped you sort out the issue, like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.